Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the camera glitch in Android and iOS. So firstly, the important thing that you can do is just simply switch the games, because it is reported in a lot of games the camera glitch is quite common. So just simply switch the games and see whether do you have the camera glitch issue or not. So even after switching the game, if you still have the issue, what you can do is just simply open up a Roblox game, then go to the setting at the top left corner, then click on settings, and in the movement mode just simply switch from default to the classic mode, and then try to play for a few seconds. And if your issue is fixed, just simply change back to default mode and see whether the issue is still happening or not. And if this still doesn't help you, what you can do is just simply go to your home screen. So then open your Play Store or App Store, whatever OS you're using. Then just simply search for Roblox and check whether do you have an update or not. If you have an update, just simply update the application and the problem should be fixed. And if you don't have an update, just simply uninstall the application and reinstall the application. By doing that, you can also check whether your issue is getting fixed or not. But in my personal experience, most of the camera glitches are only happening in few games. So that's it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.